How to add join question in Discord server. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser. In the search bar, search for Discord and then log into your account. After that, select the server and then simply tap on your server name, then select server settings. Inside here, if your server isn't already a community server, scroll down, then tap on enable community and follow the on-screen instruction. You will need to simply tap on enable community and then verify email and then scan media content from all the members. Now next, you need to go ahead and simply tap on setup onboarding. Now go through the onboarding setup by choosing your default channel and safety option and then switch to advanced mode if needed. Now you will see pre-join questions and just like that you want to go ahead and type in the question you want new member to answer. Customize the answer option if you would like and then simply tap on save changes. And that's it. New member will now see your join question before entering your server. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.